Hi everyone, good evening. Please let me know in the comment section whether my audio and video is clear or not. Then we are going to begin with the session. Good evening, Satyarth. Is my audio and video clear? I welcome you all to the Viewpoint 360 session that we do every Sunday at 9 p.m. So, this is basically your answer writing session. I give you one question every week and we discuss the model answer. Along with that, I evaluate your answers live in the class, right? Hi, Bhakti, good evening. Today, our topic in focus is AI at workplace. See, artificial intelligence is a topic which most of the times RBI definitely asks. है ना? So that is why we've made this question for all of you. Let's take a look at the question. But before I begin, if you want to download this PDF, you can do it from the Olive Board app. Go to the courses section. There's going to be a separate YouTube class PDFs folder. You can download it from here. If you have an iOS device, then I'll share this with all of you on Telegram. Mannat Educator is my Telegram handle. Just type Mannat Educator, you will have access to my group, which is Economics with Mannat. Alright, chalo. So, the question that I gave you last time was related to AI. Artificial intelligence can act as a major driver of productivity and inclusive growth. So, here the first statement is giving you a positive direction that use of AI is very good for increasing productivity and for inclusive growth. Okay, but then it also requires institutional and skill preparedness, which is a weak point of India. You have to discuss about about this, so you can talk about the pros and cons related to this question, right? The rest of the things are going to be same. Structure of answer writing is going to be same: intro, body, and conclusion. And this scenario is going to be same, dividing the question into three parts. Now, before I discuss with you the model answer, let me show the answers that you guys have written. Please let me know whether the screen is visible or not. It should be visible though. Just confirm whether the screen is visible, whether your answers are visible or not. The first answer I have is of Bhakti. I hope the answer is visible here. Okay, so visible. Okay, so introduction: artificial intelligence is increasingly being regarded as a general purpose technology comparable to electricity and internet. According to Niti Aayog report, AI for Viksit Bharat projects are accelerated adoption of AI across sectors could add 500 to 600 billion dollars to GDP. Okay, Union budget prioritized AI through expansion of AI center. Good introduction, Bhakti. So you've basically added a report according to which you can write down the answer, which is a good thing. So you've highlighted, and this shows that you have read about all of this. Then you also talked about union budget, which is again a plus point for your answer. AI as a driver of productivity. So, we've written some points like it can be used for healthcare and agriculture, financial sector, manufacturing. Okay, digital services, fine. AI and inclusive growth, language inclusion, because we have many apps which provide different kinds of languages and all. Voice based services, good. Financial inclusion, employment opportunities, yes, good. Rural empowerment, okay. And then you've written about the India AI Impact Summit. Okay, you have written about the Impact Summit as well. That's a good value addition. Need for institutional and skill preparedness. So you have written this is kind of your way forward, that we need skill development, we need digital infrastructure, institutional reforms, and that is how you have to. That is how we can harness the potential of AI. And then you've written that AI is not merely a technological upgrade, but a structural shift. Good, good. So this part is good. Structural shift. Very good answer, Bhakti. Very matlab good answer according to the question. But I'm going to show you my answer. So based on that, whatever points you've missed or whatever structure you should be following, just check that out. All right. Fine. Next, we have Honey Goyal's answer. Okay, let's see what has she written. Okay. So AI has emerged as a major lever for India to raise productivity. Okay. So you also mentioned about Niti Aayog's report, same as Bhakti's answer. India can potentially capture 10 to 15% global value. I hope you know that you can't bold when you write your answer in the exam. You can't bold italics and all. That's not allowed. So introduction is good. AI as a driver of productivity, financial services, manufacturing, pharma, and automotive. Okay, AI and inclusive growth helps in financial access, wider public services, opportunities for MSMEs. Good, good. Need for institutional preparedness, secure infrastructure, robust regulatory frameworks, cross-sector coordination, and need for skill preparedness. So you've basically taken up all the keywords which have been mentioned in the question, and you've written up 2 to 3 points and everything. That's a good take. You can definitely do your answer in that manner. And last may conclusion. Your conclusion should always be positive. Now, honey, if you're seeing this class right now, you don't have to write heading as conclusion. You don't have to write the heading like introduction or conclusion. That is not the way to write an answer. And in the exam, you will not be able to bold your text also. Good evening, Sai. ठीक है, otherwise overall your answer is good. Again, I'm going to show you my answer. Based on that, you can identify how you have to build your specific answer. ठीक है. Then I have Soumya's answer over here. Growth of an economy depends on various factors, and technology is one of the major factors. AI refers to computer system capable of performing complex tasks. See, now artificial intelligence, if you write the definition of artificial intelligence, it won't give you a very um good perspective from your answer point of view. It's better you add some. See, artificial intelligence ki definition everybody knows. There are some basic things whose definition you don't really need to write. Rather, if you write a news context or a report context just like the others have done it, that would have been a better choice of writing the introduction. Okay, Soumya, if you're seeing this, है ना? How, here's how AI can act as a major driver of production. And now here, this also you're writing in a very pura sentence, but um, you can write small headings that also in caps lock, because you won't get space. You won't be able to leave a lot of spaces like you've done over here. In the exam, try to write the subheadings in capital letters so that it's clearly differentiable. ठीक है, एग्जाम में you won't be able to get provide these spaces. ठीक है, and make the heading a little crisp. Automation, accurate predictions, optimize logistics, create new products, improves public sector efficiency, improves technology. ठीक है. Then you've written about the negatives. It also requires strong institutions and all. Again, here also crisp heading would have been better. ठीक है. AI handles sensitive data, so ethical data protection law. Okay. High quality data sets are required. May reduce routine jobs. Optimally utilized when workers know how to use it. Can handle routine jobs. ठीक है. Your answer needs refinement, Soumya. Uh, Structure is good. No problem in the structure part. That is nice. But you need to have good content to write down. Just check out the class, the answer that I'm going to display. Okay, and then just make some corrections. Okay. Then I have Satyarth's answer. Let's read his answer. The recently concluded India AI Impact Summit was based on theme Sarvan Hitaya Sarvajan Sukhaya. Okay, welfare for all. Very good. Good, unique take on your introduction. Very good. With the focus laid on making AI inclusive, human centric, based on people, planet, progress, highlighting India's focus both on inclusivity and productivity. Very good. Very good introduction and unique introduction. Good, Satyarth. AI as a driver, as a यहाँ पे आएगा a driver of productivity. AI's role in export promotion, agriculture productivity. Okay, good. Promoting manufacturing, services. Okay. Inclusivity में you have mentioned about economic survey. Okay. Advocates using AI to address real world problems. Very good. This line is very good. है ना, economic survey you have mentioned, which is a very good thing. AI led initiatives like Sabhasar, e-gram panchayat, good in promoting balanced that. Language inclusion, Yuva AI, very good, Satyarth. Good points you have written. Institutional and skill preparedness, Stanford University's vibrancy index, very good. You've written about that as well. AI preparedness, India gains a score of 49.3. Government's AI. Satyarth, would you remember all of these during the exam? Good answer, very good answer. Then challenges you have written. Galgotia's fiasco, very good. You added all the recent stuff, है ना? Keeping a tap on the news. Reduction of budget of India AI mission from 2000 crore to 1000 crore highlights funding gap, very good. As of early 2026, over 80% employees in India face severe AI talent shortages, ठीक है. And way forward, Manav Vision, that is, just a second. हाँ. Manav vision, that is moral and ethical systems, accountable governance, national sovereignty, accessible inclusive AI, and valid. Very good. Very good, conclusion also. Very nice. Good, Satyarth. Today's answer is very good. Very good. The best answer is Satyarth's answer this time. Great, Satyarth. You have done a good job. Very good. Good evening, Shubham. Very good, Satyarth. The best answer till now is Satyarth's. Okay? Good. Then we have Sai's answer, Sai Varun's answer. I think Sai is also attending the class today. Yes. Recent India is attending the AI summit and launch of Sarvam AI shows participation of India in incorporating AI in the growth policies. Introduction is not good. Introduction you have to improve, Sai. I'm sure you have seen everybody's answer. It has to be a proper structure. You have written it in kind of a paragraph manner. I don't know, the format is also not fine. There should be proper introduction, proper subheadings under every whatever you are writing. Proper subheadings should be there. I'm sure content would be fine. And a content looks fine, but you have to have a proper structure of the answer. Introduction, proper body, proper conclusion kind of answer. ठीक है. So your answer is like a paragraph, like an essay, which you need to refer. Just look at the answer that I'm going to display over here, my own answer. Then please make sure that from next time you write it in that manner. Fine. Then I have Harsh Arya's answer. Let's take a look at that as well. From code to creativity, AI is rewriting rules of growth. Very good. AI is becoming kinetic enablers for growth. Fine. Indian AI market is expected to grow this much. Very good. Good introduction. Good introduction, Harsh. Artificial intelligence is a key driver. India's labor market. Southern India as an AI hub. Wage premium. India's employment cushion. Okay. Initiatives. This is very abrupt. Initiatives. Initiatives taken by the government. And not specific initiatives. Just, at least complete the sentence. I don't mean writing the full sentence, but it should be complete. Skill India mission, Yuva AI, theek hai. Good points. And then you've written conclusion. Crisp, India has one of the youngest workforce. Can be utilized to make Indian economy robust and competitive. Good. Done through focused initiatives. Theek hai. Very good answer. Again, good answer, Harsh. Just make the changes that I have told you. Alright. Theek hai. So I hope this is clear. These were the answers that I received. Now, Sai, you have to have a proper, structure of answer writing. Proper introduction. Don't write the heading as introduction, but 3-4 lines introduction, which is going to give you a gist of the entire answer. Then your body portion. You have to properly write the subheadings. Just see the answer that I'm going to display. Then the conclusion part. And conclusion also, you don't have to write the heading as conclusion. In a very positive note, you have to end the answer. Okay, let's take a look at the answer that I have for you. So in the introduction part, what you can write down is that AI is emerging as a transformational technology capable of reshaping productivity, labor markets, economic growth. So you are, writing the line in context of the question that has been asked. India is increasingly positioned as an AI ready economy, ranking third in Stanford's global AI vibrancy ranking. So I think Satyarth had given me the ranking in one of the points, but you can add it in the intro part only. Okay? However, AI led growth requires institutional preparedness, responsible governance, and skill development. So, very good introduction you guys have written. You all have written very good introduction, most of you. But you can add such kind of introduction as well. है ना? ठीक है? Then AI as a driver of productivity and growth. So, firstly, what you can write down is that it helps in enhancing productivity across sectors. How? AI adoption is rising rapidly. 87% of enterprises actively use AI solutions. So, this is the data that we have properly. Ki so many enterprises use AI solutions. It has become very convenient. It has become very easy. Then you can talk about proper specific data that generative AI, it boosts productivity by 14% overall. This PDF will be very important because you will definitely get a question in the exam related to AI, and this all data you can use. Productivity gains rise to 34% for new or lower skilled workers. It improves efficiency in services, manufacturing, and personalization customer services. Then, how is it helping in economic growth and innovation? India's AI market expanded from $2.97 billion to $7.63 billion, projected to reach 131.31 billion US dollars. So by 2032. So this kind of data is very important. You can note down it in your notebooks. Startup ecosystem promotes locally relevant AI innovation. AI supports high value sectors through analytics, automation, innovation. It helps in labor market transformation also. है ना, AI related jobs in South Asia more than doubled. So AI ऐसे बोल रहे हैं ना that because of AI jobs will be taken away, but AI is also generating jobs. है ना, India leads global AI talent acquisition. है ना, we have new job roles, AI trainers, prompt engineers, AI safety testers. ठीक है, then AI and inclusive growth potential. Then you can talk about the inclusive growth potential of AI. First of all, demographic advantage. If you see India's population, we have a very high demographic dividend, है ना? Our demographic dividend, that is, our working age population is very high. In fact, our young population is very high. Under 35, we have 65% of population, so they can easily adapt to these AI skills and all. We have good amount of DPI, digital public infrastructure, 100 crore plus internet connections, 400 million plus 5G users. है ना? We have this Bhashini also, AI tool Bhashini, which promotes linguistic inclusion. There are different languages through which it is available. Then human AI complementarity. So it can augment. It won't replace human labor. It will help the humans to work in a more creative, more analytical manner. It will reduce the skill gaps. So we have major skill initiatives like NEP 2020, Skill India, UVAI, and Yuva AI, Future Skills Prime, India AI, Future Skills. You guys have written these in detail, but you can add a small part of these initiatives and focus on the major part that has been asked in the question. What you've done is you've given me details of this part, but details are not required. You could have written it in a crisp and simple manner so that words are also saved, and whatever is asked in the question, you can write the answer as well. But of course, all that is positive, but we still need institutional preparedness. It should ensure ethical use, data governance, safe and trusted AI system. So governance and responsible AI is required. है ना? Proposed AI Economic Council aims to balance AI deployment with human intelligence and education system. So firstly, we need to bring in responsible AI. There should not be any kind of misuse or fraud. Then we also need to have infrastructure and policy support. National program, we should have National Center on AI, Data Management Office, Responsible AI Framework. This is very important. Global cooperation is important. That is why we had the AI Impact Summit. And at this 2026 summit, it focuses on human capital inclusion, safe AI, democratization of AI resources. Basically, making AI accessible to everyone and making AI usable for everyone. है ना? ठीक है? At last, you can write a sound conclusion that AI can significantly enhance productivity, yes. Inclusive growth, yes. But outcomes will depend on institutional capacity, responsible regulation, continuous skilling. So you are ending the answer on a positive note. You're writing the positives, you're writing the need which is required. Government reforms in AI governance, skill development, they provide a strong foundation. Human centric, well regulated AI strategy will ensure technology augments growth without widening inequalities. So, you are ending the answer on a positive note in a solution oriented manner. This is how you have to write the answer. I hope you guys are getting it. Please contrast this answer to your answers and add the necessary points. Fine. I have this question for all of you for your next class. The PDF I'm going to share on my Telegram channel also if you guys want. Mannat Educator is my Telegram handle. Fine. Just type Mannat Educator, you will have access to my account. Right. And here the question that I have for next time is that the union budget lists fulfilling aspirations and capacity building as a second kartavya. First kartavya pe we have already done the answer. This question is for second kartavya. Identify 5 major initiatives outlined to achieve this. This is also a very easy question, just like we did the previous question from this one. है ना, AI at workplace से पहले we had done first कर्तव्य पे. Now we're going to do it on second कर्तव्य because you can get the question in the exam from any of the कर्तव्यas. So there's no point of just doing one of it. So second कर्तव्य पे I've given you a question. Try to write the answer. This is easy and very direct. First read what second कर्तव्य is, what are the initiatives under second कर्तव्य, then try to attempt the answer. And you can also refer to the previous class lecture how the answer model answer has been written. Based on that you can write your answer. All right. And if you guys are preparing for RBI Grade B batch, for RBI Grade B examination, you can join this batch 3 where you will get classes, magazines, mock tests, current affairs, everything is going to be available to all of you. So if you want, you can join the batch. We're going to start from 7th March. After Holi, we're going to start off with the new batch. Okay? And you can also take up this regulatory super elite pro batch wherein you will get this is basically a one stop solution for all examinations. So if you're just not preparing for one particular examination and many other examinations, then you can take up this important course. Fine. So that is all from my side. I hope that you don't have any doubt. If you have, ask me in the comment section, or you can connect with me on Telegram also. I've already shared my handle with you. Just let me know whether everything is clear or not. Then I'm going to end the session. Your live mint analysis classes will be will be on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. The timings have been the dates have been changed. It is going to be 8 a.m. but on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. So we are not going to meet tomorrow morning. We are going to meet on Tuesday at 8 a.m. All right. Good night, Satyarth Bhakti. Okay, Sai Varun. All right. Okay, Bhakti. Thank you. Have a great night and good night. See you all in my next one. Bye bye.